Chapter 1. How to do the basics. Using a plain sheet of paper and an eraser before starting the basics lesson. Within an hour, you can create a beautiful design if you aren't interrupted or distracted. So make sure you have a proper working area free of noise and distraction. Try drawing a straight line across the paper without using a scale or a ruler. If you don't get it right the first time, try not to fret about it. Keep trying on the same paper, and when you feel you've got it down, take another paper and draw the same line. Just below the straight line that you have drawn, draw another straight line making two parallel lines as shown in this picture. The lines have to be in the corner of the page like a border. Now, draw a semicircle in the middle of the line and draw another semicircle just above it. Now, start drawing small semicircles on the big one, giving it a new look with some texture. At the intersection of the two semicircles and inside every semicircle, keep dots. Dots add a traditional feel to a Mehndi design. Draw double lines from the semicircle and make many portions in the design. Make the second line of the double lines thick. Make it almost triple the thickness of the original. Adding thickness to the line adds depth. When you finish the design, you will see a significant difference between the thickness of the lines. Depth look comes only when one line is thin and the other line is thick. Now it is time to do the fill-up because we have finished the outlining. It is always necessary to do the outline first and then the fill-up. First, we are going to fill up the big circle. Before you work on this design further, you need to learn more about fill-up designs. There are about 8 basic fill-up designs. If you use your own creativity, you can come up with more designs.